Welcome to all of you. Once again, a very good morning to all of you. So today we shall discuss the remaining problems of exercise 4.5. In my previous video, we have discussed how to find out the inverse of a matrix, inverse of a square matrix using the formula A inverse equal to adjoint A divided by determinant. In this section, we shall discuss the question number 15, and the question number 15 in third chapter we have already find out the values of we have already solved the questions of this type in chapter number 3 matrices. So in this section also we have to find out this value will become O means null matrix. So first we find A square with the help of A into A by multiplying row and columns. So we will get the value of A square. Similarly, we find the value of A cube. A cube is A square into A. So we will get the value of A cube 871 minus 23, 27 minus 69, 32 minus 13, 58. Putting these values in that equation, we will find 8, 5, 13, 11, 24. 24 minus 24, 0. So 7 again, 5, 12, 12 minus 12, 0. 1, 5, 6, 6 minus 6 is 0. So the result of this, each element must be equal to 0. So this gives the value of null, means each element of this, the solution of each element of this matrix gives the value 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Means we will get a square matrix of order 3. So it will verify the result. Now with the help of this result we have to find out. With the help of this result we have to find out A inverse. So how it is possible to find out A inverse with the help of this result? So with the help of this result, A cube minus 6A square plus 5A plus 11I equal to O. O means null matrix. On pre-multiplying by A inverse. So this is A inverse into A cube, 6 A inverse into A square plus 5 A inverse into A plus 11 A inverse into I equal to null matrix. So this is A square, 6A plus 5I is identity matrix, plus 11 A inverse equal to null matrix. So here 11 A inverse equal to null matrix O minus O plus 6A minus A square minus 5 of I. So putting the values of each, this is null matrix, no problem. You will add 0, 0, 0, so there is no problem or no change in any matrices. So 6A, what is the value of 6A? 6A matrix is 6A, 6, 6, 6, 6, 12 minus 18, 12 minus 6, 18, minus A square. What is A square? A square is 4, 2, 1, minus 3, 8, minus 14, 7, minus 3, 14, plus the minus 5 of I. 5 of I means minus 5, 0, 0, 0, 5, 0, and 0, 0, 5. It means it gives the value 11 A inverse equal to A inverse equal to, what is 11 inverse? 11 A inverse equal to 6 minus 4 minus 5 minus 9. 6 minus 9 minus 3. 6 minus 2 4. 6 minus 1 5. Second, 6 plus 3 9. 12 minus 8 and 12 minus 8 minus 5. So 12 minus 13. So this is minus 1. Minus 18 plus 14. So this is minus 4. 12 minus 7 5. 6 minus plus 3 minus 3. 18 minus 14 minus 5. So 18 minus 14 minus 5. 14 or 5 19. So 18 minus 19 minus 1. Divided by 11. So A inverse equal to 1 by 11. Minus 3 4 5 9 minus 1 minus 4 5 minus 3 minus 1. So this gives the value of inverse. Now we shall discuss question number 17 and 18. These are also the most important questions. So what is the question number 17? 17 number question depend on the formula we have already discussed in my previous video. A be a non-singular square matrix of order 3. Non-singular of order 3. Then adjoint A determinant. आपको याद होगा मैंने फॉर्मूला आपको बताया था. एडजॉइंट A determinant इक्वल टू डिटरमिनेंट A पे पावर क्या बताया था n minus 1. n is the order of matrix, so this is determinant A power 3 minus 1 equal to determinant A square. So its answer is B. B answer is correct. B part is correct. So B option is correct. 18. A is an invertible matrix of order 2. A is an invertible matrix of order 2. If any matrices या any matrix is invertible, then there exists a matrix B. A invertible, then there exists a matrix B such that A into B equal to I. This is the property or this is the definition of invertible matrix. So A invertible, it means A inverse into A equal to I. These are the matrices. If we take determinant of these matrices equal to determinant I using the same property, हमने पिछले वीडियो में बताया था डिटरमिनेंट A B इक्वल टू क्या होता है डिटरमिनेंट A into determinant B. So A inverse determinant A and determinant I is 1, क्योंकि आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स का डिटरमिनेंट जो होता है डिटरमिनेंट इज ऑलवेज गिव्स द वैल्यू ऑफ ए नंबर, सो दैट वैल्यू इज मस्ट बी इक्वल टू 1. सो हियर A इनवर्स इक्वल टू A इनवर्स डिटरमिनेंट की वैल्यू कितनी होगी 1 बाई डिटरमिनेंट A. तो आप देख सकते हैं हमसे क्वेश्चन में डिटरमिनेंट A इनवर्स ही पूछा था. देन डिटरमिनेंट A इनवर्स इज इक्वल टू, so its option B is also the correct option. So here this exercise now completed. In my next video we shall discuss how to solve the linear equation in 2 variables or 3 variables with the help of matrices. So by using the matrices, we have to find out the solution of linear equations of 3 variables and linear equation in 2 variables. So thank you once again for watching this video, and be ready for my next video. In my next video, we shall discuss the system of linear equations using matrix method. So once again, thanks to all.